guys, so today we're trying to make like something for my birds. Like I want to make this like.
What are we making, Jackson?
We're making a birdhouse.
Yeah, we are.
Out of copper. We have this. I hope it waterproofs it, but yeah, we're gonna find out what it does and what it does work.
Yep.
I don't think it does. I'm thinking it probably will work.
Let's try it.
First, we need this.
Okay, tape.
You really don't make this outside on a rainy day because the box is going to go.
Yeah. So Jackson, why don't you take us through the steps here? What are we doing?
First, we need some thing of tape. One little piece of tape.
Mm-hmm.
This. We need to really put this. So we're going to take this. No, we need to kind of.
Okay.
It needs to be like flat like this. So
I'm gonna step back and just kind of watch you as you do your work here, okay?
That looks very good. We need to, tape it up and then we'll put the actual stuff on.
Okay.
And the windows and make everything. So right now.
So step one is the taping.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before we get, really taping and everything and get into work, I'm going to show you everything you need.
Okay.
First, you need tape. What kind of tape is this?
This is just like a Scotch tape. It's a clear tape.
It's like a really big Scotch tape. It's really heavy duty.
I forget the name of it. It's called like a packing tape, like a package.
It's like really strong tape.
Yep.
And you need some of this.
Cellophane,
Yeah. And
clear
you need-
plastic wrap.
You need scissors to make the windows, and then you see right here because this is the biggest thing you need, a big cardboard box.
And there it is.
However big you want it.
It's a big box from our Yeti 35 cooler.
Yeah. And you can pretty much actually use any size box.
Yeah. We just happen to have the big box.
Yeah, we just happen to use this one.
Yep.
Because we wanted to make it a big birdhouse.
We want to make a big birdhouse, so we made it big.
Really. Wait, this is like, I'm not really sure anymore.
Yep.
So, we really don't want this that big, but we're trying to make it big.
Yep.
So, yeah, it's kind of weird.
Okay.
It's not that big of a box.
Dad. Jax.
Go.
Okay, we're back. We kind of paused the video a little because I had to do it. So now, we're back. You tape it. Okay, let's put it on now.
Okay.
Let's
While
fold.
Jackson's doing that, Mommy and Daddy are going to be ordering pizza.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're
Yeah.
Ah.
That's not crazy.
What do you think? Ow. Okay. We're gonna keep doing this. Alright, that's good.
Okay.
Okay. That is definitely not gonna stay very well.
Hunter's working on his nunchuck skills.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is not working. We really kind of need to work.
Mm-hmm.
This is gonna make it's gonna get wet.
Yep.
Ow!
Whoops. Careful.
I keep hitting my pizza.
Oh, okay. Let's go easy.
It's like,
Okay.
pow.
We're gonna have to edit that out. We can't have that in our video.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this is not better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that.
All right. Not too much more tape, okay? So you're doing good.
You really need to make sure it doesn't get too
So Jackson, what did we do here?
In the box. It's
We just taped the top, so now the bird has a top to his box.
Yeah, you need the top. Alright, now we're gonna get it.
Okay, continue. What do we have next?
Now we have this.
The cellophane.
Yeah, we're really gonna have fun with this.
Now what is this for?
This is to waterproof the box. We're gonna test it in that little mini pool.
We're gonna test it in that mini pool
Yeah, that's
and see if it, okay, what if it gets wet?
If it does, I hope this works.
Okay,
It's only stuff, but
all right.
I think it'll work.
Let me help you cut that.
Woo! We're back on now. Okay, here we go. Now let's start to wrap this up.
Okay.
We kind of need to wrap it though, but yeah. First, we still need to go on the sides and everything. But I wanted to just do the top.
Watch out, don't hit the camera. Yep, looks good.
No, that's not what I want. Let's do the other side. Hold that, please.
Am I a good helper?
Yeah.
All right, maybe we should do this off camera and then we can come back and show them what we did. But right now we're just taping all the sides.
Okay, now.
Okay, Jackson is just finishing up his taping down the project. By the way, we're going to call this channel the Klein Family Outing. Okay, we're the Klein family and we do lots of fun stuff. So give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing right now. We're just hanging out, having a good time. And Jackson's making a project, his birdhouse project, and Hunter is in the back doing nunchucks. So hashtag Hunter, give him a thumbs up, and hashtag Jackson, hashtag birdhouse. So leave a comment in the comments below, description below, and we hope that you like what we're doing here. Jackson, what do you have to say?
I think it's awesome.
Yeah.
I hope you do.
All right. So look how we're doing here. We taped the top down so that it won't be rainy when it rains.
Yeah.
And the birds will stay kind of dry.
We're probably gonna even put it in one of those boxes anyways,
Yeah.
because this thing is gonna get wow. Wait, no.
Okay.
Wait, no, that's a bad idea.
Okay, Jackson looks like he's just finishing up the...
So far, so good. After, it's not all the way waterproof yet, but so far, so good.
All right.
Now we're gonna need a giant one. We're gonna do like, and then we're gonna do some like here and some like there.
Okay.
It's gonna be like really waterproof. Or we're gonna test it on that mini pool.
Oh, all right. This sounds pretty crazy.
Here, it's almost out of thing, but I think we'll make it.
And here's Ava, our dog. Hi, Ava. All right.
That means
Okay, we're back. We got more wrap. And Jackson's going to put the rest of this wrap on our box.
all this.
Okay. Awesome. Let's try it out.
Hi guys, we're back.
No, we're not. Yeah, we are. Yes, we are.
Okay,
We are back.
we did some of that. Got some more plastic wrap.
Yep.
We're gonna wrap this place up.
We have wrapped like all four sides, so it's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the wrap on that box now. You can see how the box is like completely wrapped up, right, Jackson? So we're just gonna tape it off and we'll be back.
Hey, I'm gonna be able to see through.
Okay, everybody, now what we're doing, Jackson, why don't you just explain what we're doing while I do it?
We did this wicked fast, actually. Kind of fast. But yeah.
What are we doing? Go ahead, tell everybody what we're
We're
doing.
starting to cut this, make the windows and stuff.
Making-
My dad has to do this.
We're making some windows. There's the window. Window on this side, window on that side. Okay, good.
Yeah. Now we're gonna, make a little window, a door. So we're gonna make the door like here. We're gonna make it about like. Oh, I have an idea.
Okay.
There.
Okay, so now we're making the door.
No, it's this.
Jackson measured the door, and now I'm just cutting it. Okay, move your finger.
This stuff.
Jackson is using his measuring device. And I'm using it to trace. I'm trying. There we go. Cut it.
Ow.
Perfect. Whoa. Whoa, that rope just fell right in there. Okay. There it is. There's your door.
Okay. That's actually pretty cool, baby. Alright, I'm gonna stick my hand in. Was it weight in here? It's almost kind of weight. That's weight.
Okay.
Okay. Pretty much. You can put some.
There it is.
No, don't. You can put some leaves in here and, you know, just put it out and the birds will come and get it and stuff.
Awesome.
Huh?
Okay. There's the birdhouse.
You'll tour the house. Sorry.
Okay. Now what do we do?
Dad,
Yep.
can you see inside the box?
I sure can. I can see the light on the other side. I can see like the little window. It's actually pretty light in there.
It
Looks pretty good, yeah.
Yeah, I hope it does.
It looks pretty good, and I can see the window on the other side.
I know, probably.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right,
Dad.
cool. Done.
Dad, you want to hold this? You want to hold this for me so I can see?
Sure. Go ahead, you take a look. Okay.
Alright.
So here's the box. Here's the door.
I see inside, it's light. It's actually pretty bright.
See? Now let's see. Oh, there's the window.
Yeah, I see it. I
And
see
let's
it.
see.
There's the window.
Oh, there's my finger.
Yeah.
So a bird could definitely see in there.
I'll leave in 10 minutes to go pick it up.
Okay.
Okay. There's my finger.
There's Jackson's hand. Okay.
Wait a
Awesome.
minute, wait a minute. How about we make this door a little bigger?
I think it's going to be hard to see. Oh, there we go. Okay.
There's
Good.
Where's the door? Ah, no, what the heck? Okay. There's my hand. Alright, wait a minute. Alright, lower it. Hey, you can see
Okay,
it
there's Jackson's fingers right there.
in
Okay.
front of that door, blocking it.
All right. That looks pretty good to me.
There's my hand.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, I had to do something kind of really, I just, I want to do something kind of right.
What is it?
I want to say something. So, this is what
Oh, wait. It's paused. Hold on. Oh, no, it's going. Sorry. Okay, continue.
you could really, make this thing pretty cool. You could actually use this, bam with the hammer into the ground, and you could take that and you could
Put it right on top?
yes, somehow.
That would be cool.
How could you put this on top, Dad?
I don't know. That'd be kind of tough. I'm sure there's a way we could do it, though.
We could make a hole in the bottom
Yeah.
and then put a little we'll make like a pole inside the house.
Yeah.
It's like taller than almost in the house.
Yeah.
So make it up a little and inside the house,
Yeah.
straight with the marker. So our video is not over yet.
We're not. It's not over yet.
No way.
We were just kidding. It's not done yet.
I should do. Alright. This is pretty much kind of easy to do because they have a giant box. A lot of birds can do it.
Yeah.
I think it's 10 maybe 10. Yeah, probably. Because it's like a foot and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah. So probably maybe 20 birds, 10 or 20 birds can fit in here.
Comfortably.
Probably 5, maybe 2 pigeons. But the size birds that I see on those trees, probably 10 of them.
Yeah.
At least 10 of them with the size of this box.
Mm-hmm.
And the hole is huge. It's actually bigger than most. Okay, and then we could stuff this. We'll trace it, and Dad could cut that out with his knife. We'll stick it in, and we'll hot glue it. You know the hot glue gun? We'll get the hot glue gun, and we'll, glue it.
Okay, so Jackson just had an idea. Say what you were just saying. You want to get the hot glue gun, and then what are we doing?
Take this and you stab it up. Not that much, but a little.
Yeah.
And this, you could just kind of fall like glue.
Okay.
But,
All right.
we,
So
imagine if
we should talk about this because I don't know if the physics are going to work around that. We're going to have a little discussion off camera. But
imagine if we made another thing like a giant drainer, and like made like a little bit of tape right here. It would stay like that, and then we could just like make like a little.
okay, so viewers, why don't you put in the comments what you think? Do you think that'll work, or do you think it would not work? And we can have a little conversation, and we'll come back in a few minutes and see what we decided to do. All right. So Jackson wants to put the birdhouse on top of this tube. So we're going to talk about that. So comment below. What do you think will happen?
Okay, guys. Wait a minute. We decided to put this on our swing set. If you guys have any idea what the heck this is, Dad, can I take your phone off?
No. Leave it on because I'll do it. Okay.
Right, the swing set is in the back. Yeah, we never really used it, so that's why we're gonna put this on. So
So let's do that. We'll do that right now.
And